What's up, y'all? Back again, because y'all already know what it is. I got this freaking huge box right here, and this is supposed to have my Apple Watch in it. I don't know why this box is so stinking huge. Maybe it's a longer packaging this time, because my last Apple Watch had a square box. So yeah, this is interesting. I'm so freaking excited. Like, so freaking excited. They don't really put a lot of bubble wrap. There's just a lot of space in here. But yes, I have the Apple Watch right here. I need to take this number off of there. Well, this is gonna be pretty unsuccessful. So, got the Apple Watch here. Look, got it. I got the Series 4 gold, and I got stainless steel this time. Like, I balled out on this one. I also have the 44 millimeter one. So I'm super freaking lit, yo. This is the cellular version as well. I had cellular version last time, so I'm just gonna take this plastic off. Look at it. Oh, they got some pretty cool thing going on with the packaging this time. Like, that's cool. I'm scared. Like, I don't want to ruin it. Oh, okay. It just pops open. Oh, and it unfolds. It has graphics, y'all. Look. This is super dope. Oh, and they don't put it in the box. They just put it outside of it. Okay. Look at that. That is so cool. Like, it has all the different colors of the watch. That's freaking awesome. So the band that I got the regular old band here, sports band. I had the Velcro one last year. I like that one. I just ordered like a duplicated one off AliExpress. But yeah, as you can see, it's a 44 millimeter. I'm so freaking excited. Look at this box. Like, they got a cute little picture of it. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is super dope. Like, I'm so excited. So just the papers and stuff, like, we don't look at that. Got a charging brick here, and then we got our charging cable as usual. And this is the Apple Watch right here. It just comes in this little case. Look at how little this case is. Oh my goodness, like, I'm so scared. Like, need to get this out. Oh my goodness, y'all. Like, even the little casing has 44 millimeter on it. Like, that's a nice touch. But oh my gosh, look at the watch. Like, it is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness. Like, this is off the chain. Like, this is so dope. Like, I'm just so freaking excited. Like, this is so cute. And they've moved the speaker to the side now, so that's cool. Maybe my dad can hear me better now when I'm talking off the watch. I have speakers right there. It doesn't have the colored in red button anymore. It's just an outline now. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, I gotta open this because I have to look at it. Like, y'all, this is, I'm like in heaven right now because this is just, it just says Apple Watch. Instructions. And like usual, they give you 2 sizes. I always use the small size because I'm skinny. I gotta see how this looks. I have to. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me take the plastic off of that. Got to put this on, like, y'all. I'm just, oh my goodness. Oh, I just cut it on. Oh my gosh, look. This is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness. Like, every time I think I don't know what else Apple can do to like make things greater, they just make things greater. I wear mine on my left hand, so yeah. And then I have to clip it on next to the last band because I'm so freaking skinny. But my last one was a 42. This is a 44. Oh my gosh, I just love big face. Oh my gosh, everything huge. This is, oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all just don't even understand. I'm ready to be flexing. Like, yo, this is so freaking Apple. Like, y'all just make me so freaking happy. Like, I'm just overwhelmed with joy. It is Christmas in September, like, for real though, because this is so dope. Like, so dope. Like, go get y'all an Apple Watch, y'all. Like, and get y'all the iPhone. Watch my other video. Get y'all the iPhone to match. Like, bruh, y'all just got to get this watch is, I'm just so freaking excited. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing. I will be back to do some more videos. It's a whole bunch of things I want to do about my new stuff, so I'm so excited. Like, y'all just don't even understand. Like, I can't wait to play with this stuff when I get off camera. Like, I'm so freaking lit right now. Like, y'all just don't understand. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all's head off. I will holler at y'all later. Bye.